In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends to support data-driven thumbnails fast and easy. Leveraging Google Trends can really give you the upper hand when creating content that captivates your audience. In this guide, we'll walk you through each step to ensure that your thumbnails are backed by solid data and trends, maximizing their effectiveness. First, let's get started by heading over to Google Trends. You can easily find it by searching for Google Trends in your browser's search bar. Once the search results appear, click on the first link. This will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage. It's a fantastic tool that's completely free and gives you insights into what the world is searching for at the moment. Once you're on the Google Trends site, you'll notice the Explore button. Click on it to begin diving deeper into the trending data. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can enter the topic of your video. Think about your niche or keywords that best describe your content. For example, if you're into tech, you might type in iPhone 16 review. For lifestyle content, morning routine could be a great choice. Or maybe vegan recipes, if you're all about food. If finance is your field, you might explore side hustle ideas. After entering your keyword or topic, hit Enter to initiate the search. You'll then want to set appropriate filters to focus your results. Adjust the location settings to match your target audience, whether that's your specific city, state, or a broader region. Setting the right time range is crucial too. For spotting consistent demand, you might look at the data for the last 12 months. If you're interested in catching on to new trends, a 30 or 90-day view might be more insightful. Choose the category that best fits your content, perhaps health or medical health, to filter out unrelated data. Finally, select the search type. Typically, you'd choose web search, but if you're interested in trending news, you might opt for news search. Now let's analyze the interest over time graph. This section shows how interest in your topic is changing. Look for upward trends, which indicate topics ripe for time-sensitive content. Steady interest often points to evergreen topics that consistently engage viewers, making them perfect candidates for recurring thumbnail themes. Depending on your content type, you could explore data spanning the past 12 months or even 5 years. Scroll down to discover related topics and queries. This part of Google Trends presents additional search terms or breakout topics that are gaining traction. Incorporating these terms into your thumbnails, whether through text overlays or images, can significantly enhance their relevance and clickability. Finally, make use of the Compare feature, which allows you to input multiple keywords. By comparing 2 to 5 different topics, you can determine which has the most consistent and highest search interest and select that as the focus for your thumbnail. By the end of this process, you should have a strong understanding of how to use Google Trends to enhance your thumbnails with data-backed decisions. This will not only drive more clicks, but also ensure that your content remains current and engaging. So start exploring Google Trends and watch your content thrive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.